Let me ask you a simple question. If I give you two numbers, how do you find the larger one? Easy, right? Now, what if I give you three numbers? Still easy? But here's the real question. How many different ways can you solve this problem in C? Let's explore. Welcome back to this playlist, One Problem, Many Logics in C Language. Here, we don't just write programs, we understand how logic actually works. Let's begin. Problem statement. We're given numbers. Our task is to find the largest number among them. First, we'll start with two numbers. Then, we'll move to three numbers. Part 1. Largest of two numbers. Logic 1, using if-else, basic. This is the most common approach. We directly compare the two numbers. If A is greater than B, A is the largest. Otherwise, B is the largest. Now, let's reduce the code using the ternary operator. If A is greater than B, then print A is largest. Otherwise, print B is largest. This logic is short, clean, and efficient. Now, let's use mathematical. The largest of two numbers can be found using this formula. Int largest equals A plus B plus absolute difference of A minus B divided by 2. Why does this work? The absolute difference always adds the larger value. This method improves mathematical thinking. Part 2. Largest of three numbers. Now, let's move to three numbers. This is the most used approach. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then print A is largest. Else, if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then print B is largest. Else, print C is largest. We compare one number with the other two. The number greater than both is the largest. Now, let's try nested conditions. This helps in understanding decision flow. If A is greater than B, then if A is greater than C, print A is largest. Else, print C is largest. Else, if B is greater than C, then print B is largest. Else, print C is largest. Now, let's compress the logic using nested ternary operators. Int largest equals if A is greater than B, then if A is greater than C, then A, else C. Else, if B is greater than C, then B, else C. Print largest equals %D, largest. This method shows strong command over conditions. Another smart approach, we sort the numbers conceptually and pick the last one. If A is greater than B, then int T equals A equals B equals T. If B is greater than C, then int T equals B equals C equals T. Print largest equals %D, C. This approach connects problem solving with sorting logic. Final comparison. So, which method should you use? For beginners, if-else is the best. For writing compact code, ternary operators are useful. For interviews and logic building, mathematical and nested approaches stand out. Different logics, same result. That's how programmers think. If this video helped you build stronger logic, like the video and subscribe to the channel. This playlist is designed to sharpen your thinking step by step. Keep learning and keep coding.